I'm Anil Kumar. We had been discussing derivatives from table of values. So we considered this example and we have already discussed 7 questions before this. The question for us had been differential function f and g have the values shown in the tables. So the table had some values which represented values for the function f, its derivative, function g and its derivative for x equals to some values. In this case it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the question 8 for you is, if m is equals to g inverse of x, then m prime 3 is equal to what? Now treat this as your test question, right? So this is your test question. Likewise, question number 9 and 10 will also be your test questions. You can pause the video, answer the question, take help from the previous question, and then find the solution. Here is my suggestion. We are given that m, let's say m of x, is equals to g inverse of x. So we could write this as g of m of x is equal to x. Now taking derivative on both the sides will give us derivative of this function, which is g prime of m of x, times derivative of inside function, which is m prime x, equals to derivative of x, which is 1. Since we need to find m prime 3, we'll isolate this. So we have m prime x equals to 1 over all this, which is g of m of x, right. Now we want 3, right? So we'll replace this with m prime 3 at x equals to 3. So this will be 1 over g prime m of 3. Now what is m of 3? M of 3 will be g inverse of 3, right? So let me rewrite this as equals to 1 over g prime g inverse of 3. Correct. Now from the table we can read the values g inverse of 3. So that means for 3 being g value, what is the x value? That is the inverse, right? So you could write this as 1 over g prime of g inverse of 3 means 2, right? X of 2. Now from the table we can see for x equals to 2 the derivative is minus 1. So we get minus 1 as our answer. So minus 1, that is option B, is the right option. Correct? So that is how you can actually solve such a question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.